Imagine yourself in this 2012 Chevrolet Avalanche. If you're looking for an automobile with great attributes, look no further. The powertrain includes four-wheel drive with a powerful 8-cylinder engine driven by a 6-speed automatic transmission. Find your way easily with the included navigation system. Premium wheels lend a distinctive appearance. Get advanced listening benefits from the premium sound system. You will appreciate the safety feature of anti-lock brakes. Indulge in the comfort of heated seats. Enjoy the comfort of dual temperature controls. Let the outside in with a power sunroof. Call today to schedule a test drive.